Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Kevin Pack here. How y'all doing? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kevin Pack. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. And on this channel, we talk things about Amazon. We talk things about entrepreneurship, my own lifestyle, and all that good stuff. So let's get into this video. Now that I welcome you guys to my video, make sure that you guys are following me on my Instagram because I'm pretty active on there. I like to talk to a lot of people on there and message people back a lot of times too. So you can go ahead and follow me on there. I'm pretty active. And then like this video for the YouTube gods out there and subscribe for more content, of course. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, today we're gonna be talking about the tools I use to run my business, my Amazon business. And people always want to basically throw in a lot of tools and pay a lot of extra money for all these unnecessary tools. But I'm gonna give you guys basically everything I use to run my six-figure business. Of course, I'm gonna show you guys my business account so you guys know that I actually do make six figures on this Amazon business. There you go. So that is the last 12 months. My business has done over $400,000. So let's begin with tools that I actually use and why I actually use them. So the first tool is gonna be pretty obvious, and that's Seller Central. And Seller Central is the main way you're gonna actually do your business on Amazon. It's the platform you do to basically launch products, create product listings on Amazon, and then obviously get paid as well. So it's basically the main central platform that's gonna run your business. And then this is what you need, and it's like $40 a month. You need it to be able to scale and actually grow your business as well. If you don't have this, you're not gonna be able to start selling at all on Amazon. So it's a must. You need the professional seller account to be able to run your Amazon business. The next tool I use is my next major component, which is Helium 10 Platinum, okay? Platinum meaning the plan that I actually use. Helium 10 is a software tool that comes with a lot of different tools in this Platinum plan. It comes with product research tools, it comes with keyword research tools, it comes with listing optimization, it comes with keyword tracking, a lot of great tools that are essential for your business. What I mainly use it for on a day-to-day basis is for Black Box, which is product research, Cerebro, which is a reverse ASIN keyword search, which allows me to look at my competitors' keywords and what they're ranking for. And I also mainly use Keyword Tracker to help me keep track of my keywords to make sure that my product is ranking and that I need to push more for this keyword or push less for this keyword. And it gives me just an idea of where my ranking is at and if my product is actually being visible and seen by the customers. Because it allows you to see like, okay, if you're not ranking for any keywords, then that means you're not making any sales. Or like if your sales slow down, you notice that, oh, I'm dropping in my ranking for my keywords, that's probably why. So you need to push it back up with PPC. So basically that's how you use Keyword Tracker. And that's one of probably my day-to-day tools that I use. Super, super important that if you want to stay on top of your business and also grow your business, you use Helium 10 Platinum plan, okay? And if you guys want a discount on that, there's a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so you do get a discount and I get a commission off of it. So that's the truth about that. You win, I win, all that good stuff. So go ahead, check that out down below to amplify your Amazon business. Use Helium 10. The next tool that I use that keeps track of my profit and loss is Shopkeeper. And I really love this software platform because it's super modern, it's super up to date, it gives me the right information that I need and want. And it's just a really clean interface, to be honest. So as you see there, that's what Shopkeeper looks like. So it has a really cool interface, gives me the right information, gives me just everything I need, and also allows me to cover my product so it doesn't reveal it. So I can show you guys that and you can see the icons of just whatever the product is basically. You want to make sure you know where your money is being spent and also if your business is being profitable or progressing in any way, because we always want to grow and make sure that we're doing this business for profit. We're making profit, we're making sure that we're able to pay the bills and all that good stuff. So it's important that you guys have something that tracks your profit and loss accurately. Shopkeeper is really, really great because it uses basically everything into account, meaning like the Amazon fees, PPC fees, any returns or reimbursements or coupons, anything like that. It literally keeps track of everything. So that's why I love Shopkeeper so much. The third tool I use is more applicable to myself and not just for everyone, and it's called Asana and Slack, okay? So these two tools I use to run my business with my employee, Gloria. So she's out in the Philippines and I use Asana to assign her tasks and anything I need her to do for me. Those are gonna be seen and displayed for both of us to see. So if there's any updates she puts in or anything that she does that's completed work, I'm gonna be able to see it on Asana. And then Slack is basically our way of communication when we need something really fast. I need to send a quick message or updates or ask her for an update, or she needs to contact me for something really quick for a question, then Slack is what we use. So I have Asana, which is for tasks, and then Slack for communication. Very easy tools to use as well, and they're both free, so that's what's really great about them. The final tool I use, which is a website, not really a software tool, but it is called Fiverr. Fiverr is a great website for freelancing when you need to get, any copywriting done or any photography or design done or uploading done, like anything like that. Fiverr has a lot of great people out there where you can outsource and hire them just for a single gig or a single job, and they can get it done for you, whether it's logos or anything like that. They're very helpful, and they're more affordable than finding somebody locally around you. So I really recommend Fiverr for quick jobs, things that don't really require like a high demand or something like that. Really recommend Fiverr. I use it all the time, literally all the time. So those are basically the 6 major things that I use. So those are the 6 major tools that I use to run my Amazon business. You don't need anything extra. You don't need a double of another tool or anything like that. If you have Helium 10, you don't need Jungle Scout. Or if you have Jungle Scout, you don't need Helium 10. That's the way it is. These are the tools that you'll need to run a 6-figure business. And the cool thing is you don't even need an employee once you make 6 figures. That's just something optional that you can do. I just like it because it's just a little bit more help and organization for myself. That is this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to learn how to start your Amazon business, or you need help with your own Amazon business, be sure to check the links down below for my mentorship program, where you have to apply to see if we are going to be a good fit to work together. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, go make that money, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.